Imagine losing your entire pig farm. Over 150 pigs wiped away by a disease.
2001 no ya die bi be o mo ya de be panam kura mo be 150.
For most of us, that would be the end of the road. But not for this farmer that I interviewed today.
Na minya adwena ye de buo ba so hasi. Ye de bedru hasi so be 3 years ni de nhia challenges bia so hu ana ya de bia eba.
She started all over again, but this time around with only 2 pigs. And in 3 years, she now has over 250 pigs.
Starting 3 years in na 250.
Selling some of the pigs as high as 8,000 Ghana cedis.
More was in any board in the party 6,000 you have 7,000 after 8,000.
How did she do it? What lessons did she learn? And how can any of us on this channel start a pig farm without huge capital?
The more you man and the Miss Emily and the person who motivation, the man with this special monasy.
More here, a Jumabia, Nebla, no more country. Now, I will be who say, if you so dear was so, my gun high for you, so fast to do. Now, I will start this argument in bar. Maybe some say, meet me, I could dry. My children say, meet me, I'm almost a brown. I'm coming room. Challenges baby room. Starting with the end easy sir. Walk off from more banner. Anytime we are whiskey room. No winning for social. That time they won't hear because I won't. When you make one out tinting, no dream will be said. It is said by home. To me, they come on.
Now can say 5 years.
5 years me started 5 years. That's after my initial hustle. Namu krum. Na tambe 2001 no ya die bi be o mo ya de be panam kura mo be 150. Omo nyina wuye. Na minya adwena ye de buo ba so hasi. Ye de bedru hasi so be 3 years ni de nhia challenges bia so hu ana ya de bia eba. Yes. Na ye bo ho ban so ye say ya de no emma.
Na hono esisa na mo kan say bia BBC ntina mo no wi.
Saya de eba de ho gan na nyem nko a.
Swan fever.
So yeah.
Oh, okay.
Anyem nko a na to mi say ya de na. Aisi ba bia nkran zone ba bia muambi bia. Ya ni nipa be kwa akofa banko a de come.
Do you shall see if I should be any account? More, I will have any board in Parabison.
More was in any board in the party 6,000 you have 7,000 after 8,000.
No marketing, I have 4 I have come home.
Yeah, me from 1 month, your mom will restaurant for me, sir, a drinking spot for me. I make him.
There is a week be an answer.
I know me tone. I can see him, sir.
So the challenge may be apart from say be a more and a bar, more bit my
challenges in the room here, dear, at the end of my program. Anna, if I could see a mom who say, a moon day wire, your hobbies are prepare my feed. And now, Omunia, you pass a month from mamma for a year because your hobby started with prepare feed. So, what could you feed them by 4 feet man? It's in my bayam creating. Here 2-3 days. Don't even go to me. It's an area of you, live at the end. And now, best of breakaway are there and sweet no more papa. Almost coming in within short time pet. And so to the program by mountain got to Bono when you're in the world. Such challenges in there you face it. And now, one move by a moon say more to send cramming someone who wrote woman. And also the how Papa move rough of the banner. One half for a mama move them. His enemy united wood to ban any idea.
Or more no more demand the amount how dear.
Oh, mom no me demand the program be a banner say. Be I went to unlock gate ye. Now the force baby they are more to the pa. To unlock gate ye now for the force, they be up on here. And man, no wine push any papa now and now when you come on. Because I be to know you can be a fool. Then we are, say, gate on betu mo pi say be your problem so ko say bia de na nipa he de hu ne meba na be ku bia to ru anyi o bo sha ne wanyi na ho ban ni na ma how to why hu
akwa community say ni omo nya ma complain bia wa community na nkata ni
complain bia nya ma
bia ni hawa ha one din
bia nya fa complain bia sa mo
as a social corporate responsibility say bia bia obi adwuma no I say make police for nya person ka say training say for bi na for mo no mi adwuma na say then na dey bo community na
de bo dum hai fe ya no mo mi adwuma mo fe say na de ba mo na do mi adwuma na fasu die ba say boy bi sport bi pe aboa to mo de hu ni do ya so mo ni na anyem preko fun ko an ye no hosi so be nkoko kan bi timi nkosu ade do do ahia mi ko inform de mo mo sana attract different town e wa ko timi
the say akwa say bia o de why no by 5 years ni de so hin ne be bi de so the so person to start in the area and the any na ka say what can ya and how so
ni ma chire ni pan say adwuma ye ho yen fa sika ka say ni adwuma yan fa ni ma ka say me pese me yer preko me de mi ko to preko be 10 20 agugu me che say ma yer preko me ma adwuma ya me starting preko mi 3 years ni ma nti edu time say ye kwakwo e ba breeding no me ya wo mama mo ko jam to mo ko mi me ko to different be ma do tumo omo breeding me de omo to breeding e ya ofro omo furu wie ye he eno ana he an to mo akasibia na hwe ye me mani ko ho be nua no sem no ko kama na me ma de bia me preko ba ko timi betimo be 12 betimo 8 nia no da 6 7 9 ti omo ye mo a omo tere kama ye fani kesi ni ye mo me fa takle na de omo de we ko sana mo ate sana ni ko ni
ana ne ko yi de when say obi a business and bia when me product the one say bia le this way produce 20 produce 10 le bia ndi no bit no do e farmer no
preko
to be say no
is mo preko 250
unit
so na 250 Nwa de no kwa mayi omo afi mu ntini ho so se mi yo mu
ndi aka je sia no obi so ho se wande se no se cash ka se mi se de unye sika ni to ko je lo na no ho no kwa abo adwuma se kona ko je loan or back so that na say credit union se fa be sa gi
okay loan die me start my business dia die enya fa loan start here na fe na me propose me person me adwuma no bi ibi me password for edin so after that be omo boa me mum wana me ye bi ente to da omo boa me
se ma ba ka se high for no omo mo complain bia na so on cause problem with it in terms of so o ka se jani se me ya hawi se na o fa so ya wo ti ka no so na enko ya hawi bi
Amne mi ya say omodie omoduane page na amapaso amapano me say food omo friends rice brown na concentrate at be friend na blue at be friend omoduane bia mo odi mo mu ya amapa awia mo tekin wo so mo ya kutai wia bi mo mo pa odi mo awia na kutai wia mo mo bi na me wia ko mo ya so bo mo mo di no ya ne ma so te na de ba kwa ye ko ni say so be yan prako na so ka ji nia no ofie bro mo and so to be effect bro because people are no mo ya de na ba ya de yan fremu mo ya de so ji de de na choba na obibi obi ho na say e be drew farms ya and so to be ko the how banti and mami so ade na ye men ji say me kwa ko je nia no outside the you baba me nye say bi mo farms ya
sisi akwa say business dia e be hia o number say dia o pese offer na dia the hotel bible by the drinking spot for supply the man number go na the process
because 0241 26 07 04
because we na mo na na mabonti say antina en shida nyafe no mo mo fi na community okura mandru mpo no msa say complain say mo na ha adwen My own day class, Mona Jennifer Barcelona. I could go on a fool and pass over the telephone. More than can hear me, no woman of them. So I can come. I show him the way. The fancy beer, Mr. Lucy, beer, and you will be a necessary start for flat. You don't know the better.
I am a better man.
Did you see I want to talk with the end of a cocoa?
A woman not a family. The woman not a corner. Me back corner. Mse nkokwa no de ne say blako no anye dey bia na be hu scan but nkokwa de every blessed day we nya for within 4 months no almost start here people go dey nkwa dey every day bia so be scan ana blako no so no ba nya o mo kakra so no we hu scan
nti ba se bia ne o kire me say 5,000 say I don't have how many months I be tun dey nya sa abo no jinu sa
Ben for 1 year to 1.5 to 2 years bia dey be tun na abo no jinu say and it depend abo so say breeding account you breed you o hono ma o kweshia na yeah only 1 year kura ko hu na no che na nya 2 years sana me hu ko ni mo ai se we am present to na we ko different breed design be from na ton bia he another breed me bonu ye fe mama
why ka breed ko nza mama nya bi so ko o de woni breed ko de hingi
because white light
ani bi na me so no I de I need some black ya me nya bi
me no say
black
black unya bi me de ba ku bi na onyu mama sama no ye mama ko no mama sama
mo me fa ba ya me nya binti
ona mama me kra na enim so mo mama no ye white so na black bi da na ji say is what one brown black na bom mo usa na say brown color mama ba ko ne mama
no say ye me say wabua wo fa boys ye adwuma san come nam oni ni o ye ne ye ba ha dwen anje ba say she bebre nkran na mo program kan mo na ye tie class na say ye ni program adwuma dia office no kra wo ha
me say see to me am ti he say o ka te so me to kran kwa na de kan try me because of my
na wo glass ni
glass mo ye ndi e adivia no nem for so say see but ma wo ko no na wo for so many jemu pa ya de many jemu some mo me chiri ni na wo many jemu pa
ya no boy man na mo mu fa tre kam so ne be ya boys be bit ma be nya djuma ya wa so ba no se bi
So according to the interview, there's no need for you to seek huge capital before you get into pig farming. For those of us waiting to get all the money in the world before we go into pig farming, this is not true, because see somebody who started with just 2 pigs, and you can imagine the cost of 2 pigs, and now she has over 250 pigs on her farm after 3 years. And what also encouraged her to come back into pig farming is her passion for livestock. As you can hear from the background noise, they have poultry also available, they have goats in the pen. So it's due to her passion that made her bounce back from her failure after she lost over 150 pigs to African swine fever in 2001. So that is almost 24 years ago. But she decided to come back heavily, and this time around selling a pig for at most 8,000 Ghana cedis. So imagine as a young person being able to have 8,000 Ghana cedis worth of a pig, and you have, let's say, just 20 of them. You can see how much you are getting for yourself. So this is the reason why I'm actually interested in promoting pig farming to the young ones, and also those of us in the rural areas and some small towns. This is also an opportunity because pigs are just prolific breeders. Once they get pregnant, you can expect to get at least 8 piglets, and if they're taken well care of, it means in at most 7 months you should be able to sell them for at 3,000 Ghana cedis. But she also didn't just end it there. She encountered some challenges, which she just mentioned about the feeding. So you heard about rice bran. It is the feeding she's talking about here. And also she talked about where if you are not also able to formulate the feed right, you end up giving adult feed to the piglet, which will end up bloating the stomach, leading to constipation. That's what she said there, I am team. So you see your pig is bloated, it's not worms, the feed is not well digested, and it has been stored and piled up in the abdomen. Alright, so you need to also know how to go about all these things, and you don't have to skip vaccination. Your medication should be intact. That is something she learned the hard way after losing the 150 pigs to the African swine fever. What even inspired me more is that she has now found meaning in livestock farming, such that even her brothers overseas who spotted the opportunity and decided to replicate it in Ghana, if they come to even pick her from Ghana to where they are now, she is not going to go with them because she now loves to stay in Ghana and do livestock farming. This is the story of a woman going and changing lives. And as I'm talking, she has about 4 farm hands helping her take care of the pig farms and also the poultry as well as the goods. So in my final words, I just congratulated her for creating employment for these young guys. At least she's helping them to also take care of themselves and not adding up to the social vices we have in our society.